this was launched on Feb 29th, 2020, just 2 weeks before the lockdown. So, unfortunately, the timing was such it affected the whole world, so we were not able to get it rolling out after that. And that is why not many people heard about it apart from that event at that time. And we've just done our second event now in Feb 14th. 2020, and we've, of course, now, as you know, been a part of the Vijender Singh fight as well. Now, even in terms of people knowing about us and the way we're rolling out, also we're doing a very different approach than other leagues. We're not taking a front-heavy approach. We're launching the league and we're launching all the teams and everything. We are first doing it with a team. So I think it might not be right to call it the second edition so these are events, standalone events that we're doing right now. The first one was a ranking tournament where we were ranking the players. And this one was a mega match series. I don't know if you follow UFC, but the whole UFC fight night where some of the top 3 players are matched up against each other. So, we're gradually rolling it out, and now we're starting to gain momentum again because, the lockdowns happened and we are starting to do a couple of more events, and now is where we want people to know that this is out there. First of all, even if you look at Kabaddi, before the Kabaddi League came out, people would think, ये तो खेत में खेलते हैं, ये तो गाँव में खेलते हैं. Kabaddi खेलता कौन है? Nobody knew, right? Nobody knew any names and everything. But the thing is, it's the way you put something together, and it's before you do it, you don't know. If it's not out there, then it's not out there. Of course, it is something before we launched, which was done at an amateur level and everything. But let me tell you, of course, there was not much awareness about the players, just like you never knew the Kabaddi players. But when you see them, you realize that these guys are really good. These are world-class players who have been around for some time, just never known. There was just no awareness that these guys are actually been struggling for some time, and there was a federation like that. So same thing here. We are at that stage where there wasn't, before this. Now people are starting to get aware, that there are arm wrestlers who play this, and there are certain set of rules, international rules, and it's not just something, and I'll tell you the idea behind doing it. See, it's a mix of both things. Like what you're saying is that, it's something that anybody can do. Yes, that's the whole point. Everybody feels they can do. Everybody thinks they can become Sachin Tendulkar. That's why cricket is so popular. Everybody looks at a cricket match and says, "Ye to main isse acha shot maar deta. Ye isne thoda sa aisa kiya." That's the whole point. Is that we all think when you watch it, that's what I want. I want that when people see it, it catches on that they are in their houses. Of course, I don't want anybody's wrist broken. It needs to be done under supervision. It's a very strong sport. But the whole point is that it is so accessible, where people have done it, in their colleges and in their schools. There were, these tournaments where you would just do it. But the fact is that it is a sport with international rules. It is very tough. But the main thing is, it is a very big platform for them because up till now they've done little small tournaments here, there. Nobody really knew them, and now there is starting. Now let me give you an example. In the Feb 14th event, our co-main event was this guy Karaj Sachin. When people came, they didn't know anybody, right? They didn't know who the athletes were. But by the end of that Karaj Sachin fight, people were either cheering for Sachin or Karaj. They had already gotten behind one of them. And that fight, it was best of 5, went down to the full wire. It went to the 5th round. People were actually shouting out their names, and that is such a boost for the athletes. They've never had that before, where people in an audience are cheering for them. They're literally cheering Sachin like in a cricket match. Now that's an indicator of where we want to go. I'm not saying, we've been, we've got a long road ahead, but what it shows is people are loving the sport. People do want to get behind these guys.